Hello, we're looking at the best Cowrywise strategies for families to save together. Family money meeting gets boring, but you can try this fun Cowrywise method to make your family finance collaborative, not secretive. 1. The family dream board plan. Have a visual board at home. Each dream, for example, a new TV, vacation, you can put it as a dedicated group savings plan. Let the kids track the progress on the app. It is a financial literacy lesson. 2. Assign saving rules. Kids can manage a family fun night plan with their chore money. Teens can co-manage a gadget upgrade plan. It teaches them responsibility. 3. The matching contribution. For every naira a child saves towards an educational goal, parents should match it by contributing to the same plan in Cowrywise, just like a 401k match. You see, a family that saves together achieves together. Create your first family group plan on Cowrywise this weekend. Share a screenshot of your family's dream board and you can tag us. Do not forget to like for more family finance tips.